for anything, any performance, see Six Sigma, we say data driven. Any performance, Six Sigma will present, put it in the form of a number. If you can't express your performance in the form of number, that means you really do not know what are you doing. I think all of you know this already, could have learned this statement. So if you don't know what you are doing, then tell me how will you control it? You need numbers to monitor your performance. And then if you have number and if you can monitor your performance, you can control it effectively. But if you don't have numbers and you are not controlling it, then you should be at the mercy of the chance. So what you are going to achieve, that is purely God's grace. So those who believe in God, they will be at the mercy of the chance. All others, they work with the data. So this is the basic foundation of Six Sigma methodology. That means any practical problem which all of you are facing in your company can be converted into a statistical problem or can be represented as a statistical problem. Statistical problem is problem seen in the form of numbers. And for all statistical problem, a statistical solution exists. And that is why we want you to learn statistics a little bit. And then if a statistical solution exists, definitely practical solution can be worked out. So this is the, philosophy generated by Motorola, Dr. Michael Harry and team. They called it Six Sigma methodology. So what is operational excellence? Operational excellence means effective implementation of your organization strategy. Effective implementation of your organization strategy. There are different strategies with which different companies work. Certain company work on customer delight. Certain company work on the sales. Sales is their focus. They would like to do a lot of more cross selling. Some companies would like to improve the service. Some company would like to target only a very niche market. Some company focus on product differentiation. So these are all called strategy. Okay, strategies are good. So developing strategy is good. But is that your company really implement it? How effectively implement it, right? And if you effectively implement it and make it happen, that is called operational excellence. So that means the execution of the strategy more consistently and more reliably than your competitor. If you do this better than your competitor, what does it mean? You are the market leader. So Six Sigma is a journey making your organization a market leader. At the same time, you will achieve it with very low operational risk and very low operational cost and increased revenue, all better than your competitors. So operational excellence is a systematic approach for industrial organization to attain best-in-class performance in productivity, quality, as well as delivery of products and services. See, it is a monumental task. It means without people's involvement, without everyone's involvement, operational excellence is just a talk. There are many companies you can see they write everything on the walls, they keep big boards and then do nothing inside, right? So what is most important to really achieve the operational excellence is everyone should be involved. If you want to involve everyone should be trained. Everyone should be trained on your approach. Approach is DMAC, and DMAC involves a lot of tools and techniques. And so everyone should be trained on the Six Sigma and tools and techniques. And that's why training becomes the part and parcel of any profit growth initiatives in any organization. So in order to make your people effective and